What's going on, y'all? I'm here with my man Kevin. I know y'all heard the phrase, help an old lady across the street, right? But what about help a grown man across the street?
Hi, excuse me, could you help me get to the other side of the street? I'm afraid a car is gonna come and hit me while I'm crossing the street. Could you help me get across the street? I'm afraid that when I cross the street, a car's gonna come like this one and slam into me. Could you help me get across the street? Okay, I'll be alright.
I'm just trying to get across the street, but I'm genuinely terrified of cars. You gotta help me out? That's cool. I appreciate this, bro. Gosh.
Excuse me, sir. Could you help me get to the other side of the street? I'm afraid that when a car comes by, it's gonna slam into me.
Get to the other side of the street.
Yeah. Could you help me cross the street? I'm sorry. Cross the street. Just walk. But I'm afraid a car's gonna come. I'm afraid a car's gonna come and slam into me. Just walk. I don't. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Okay.
Just walk.
Just walk.
Just walk.
Just walk.
Just walk.
Could you help me?
Just walk across the street.
Alright, thank you.
Walk across the street.
Walk.
Yeah, no cars coming.
Across the street.
Alright.
Because they can't come up this way.
No, yeah, I just want to go this way.
Yeah.
Alright, just make sure you're across there. You help me out there. I appreciate it, brother. Oh my God, dude, there's a car coming now, dude.
You got it.
Dude, there's a car coming now.
Back.
Dude, would you please just pull me across here? And you're so sweet, you helped a grown man across the street. Who does that?
I mean, you can have some kind of psychological health disorder.
That is true. That is true. All right, what's your name?
Shannon.
Shannon, I'm Anthony.
Anthony.
Thanks. Nice to meet you.